Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're talking about something that promises to work wonders for uneven skin tone, dark spots, and fine lines. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into the Neutrogena Retinol Vitamin C Correcting Cream. If you're someone dealing with stubborn dark spots, fine lines, or those early signs of aging, this product might just be your next skincare hero. It's a daily face and neck cream that combines a potent blend of retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Neutrogena claims that you'll see noticeably even skin tone in just 1 week, with visible improvements in skin texture, discoloration, and fine lines. But how well does it actually work? Let's find out. First off, the key ingredients in this product are some heavy hitters. Retinol, a well-known dermatologist-recommended ingredient, is a form of vitamin A that has long been used to tackle fine lines, wrinkles, and dull skin. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is fantastic for brightening the skin and helping to fade dark spots. And then there's hyaluronic acid, which helps keep the skin hydrated, plumping it up and giving it that youthful, dewy look. Now onto my real-world testing experience. I've been using this cream for a few weeks, and I can confidently say it's been a solid addition to my routine. The texture of the cream is rich, but absorbs surprisingly well, leaving the skin feeling hydrated without that greasy residue. I've been applying it both in the morning and at night, though keep in mind, retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so you'll want to make sure you're wearing sunscreen during the day. On the first few uses, the cream felt soothing, especially with the added hydration from the hyaluronic acid. I immediately noticed my skin felt softer and more plump. As for the dark spots, they've definitely lightened a bit, but I wouldn't say they're gone completely, though I'm hopeful for more long-term improvement. My fine lines around my eyes have softened, which is always a win. It's also worth mentioning that I did experience some mild dryness and flakiness during the first few days, which is typical when introducing retinol into your routine, so I suggest easing into it. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros? The cream is very hydrating and leaves the skin feeling refreshed. I've noticed a visible reduction in the appearance of fine lines, and my skin looks smoother overall. The combination of retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid is definitely a powerhouse for skin that's been looking a bit dull or uneven. Plus, I love that it's free of parabens, mineral oils, and dyes. A big win for those with sensitive skin. The cons? While I've noticed some improvement in my skin's texture, the dark spots didn't disappear overnight as promised. So, if you're looking for a miracle cure for deep discoloration, you might need to manage your expectations. Additionally, the price point could be a bit steep for some, though I would say it's worth it if you're dealing with persistent skin issues that other creams haven't tackled. Speaking of the price, it's essential to consider whether this product is a good value for the money. At 1.7 ounces per jar, you get a fair amount of product, but the price is on the higher end for drugstore skincare. That said, if you're looking for a targeted treatment with retinol and vitamin C, this is a solid option compared to more expensive department store brands. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a budget but want something similar, you might consider products like CeraVe's Skin Renewing Retinol Cream, which is a bit more affordable but still offers some of the same benefits for fine lines and skin texture. However, if you're serious about anti-aging and dark spot reduction, this Neutrogena cream might be the better bet, especially with its combination of ingredients. So, how does the Neutrogena Retinol plus Vitamin C Correcting Cream stack up in terms of build quality and longevity? The packaging is practical and sleek, but the jar does have slightly less glass than the previous packaging, which may be a win for sustainability. As for longevity, with daily use, you'll likely get about 4 to 6 weeks out of a jar, depending on how much product you apply. If you're wondering about customer service, Neutrogena generally has a reputation for good customer support, though I didn't need to contact them directly. However, if you ever need assistance, their website has a solid FAQ section to help with any inquiries. In terms of updates, as of now, there haven't been any major changes to this product. The only update worth mentioning is the packaging, which now uses 30% less glass and 25% less carton material than before. Always a plus in terms of sustainability. To wrap up, The Neutrogena Retinol's Vitamin C Correcting Cream is a good option if you're looking to tackle fine lines, uneven skin tone, and dark spots with a combination of proven ingredients. It doesn't promise instant results, but with continued use, I'm seeing some improvements. If you're after an affordable, effective anti-aging cream that combines hydration, brightening, and retinol all in one, it's definitely worth a try. So is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you can stay updated on all our latest beauty reviews. Your support really helps us create more content just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.